Continuation with rural development, we are continuing with agricultural marketing, and in this we're going to talk about what are the features of agricultural marketing. And if you know what are the we've just done the measures for improving agricultural marketing. They are just the features, same thing. I did that before, so you can learn it up as miscellaneous regulation, that is information, storage, standardized transportation, then regulated markets, all that. And two questions that you can do here: what are the features of well organized agricultural marketing, which I'm going to do right now, as you see, and what are the advantages of what are the advantages? There should be some advantages. Why are we looking for organized agricultural marketing? So this is what we're going to do: features of an organized agricultural marketing. So a well organized market should have the following features. Now, what are the features? Number one, that there should be number of middlemen between the farmers and ultimate consumers should be as small as possible. Second, there should be adequate and proper facilities for storing agricultural commodities. So storage facilities. Because with this, it will help raise the holding capacity of farmers, and they will get a good price, a remunerative price. A good price means a remunerative price for their produce. Then of course another essential feature for a well organized agricultural marketing is grading and standardization facility of the agriculture products. So they should be made available to maintain the quality of the product. Again, these should be provided cheap transportation facilities, very important. Cheap transportation facilities is a very important requirement, so that they can take their produce to the mandi or the market instead of disposing it off in the village itself. So I don't know if I talked about this in the the government measures. Yeah, it is a very important point that perhaps I missed earlier. So you can just put it there when you see the video again. You can make notes. And then important thing is information. Proper arrangements should be made through mass media coverage to provide information about the market conditions as well as the prevailing price. Also about government policies, say even about the minimum support price or the buffer stock that the government is maintaining. All this information should be made available to them. Now the question is that we are doing. First question was, what are the essential features of well organized agricultural marketing? So these are the features. Now talking about what are the advantages of a well organized agricultural marketing, so we can put it down as number one, that it induces the farmers to adopt more productive agricultural techniques and thereby raise the levels of agricultural output in the country. Also, second, it ensures the smooth supply of raw materials agro raw materials to agro-based industries in the country. And the supply of food grains come regularly to the non-farm population. That has to be done, because otherwise non-farm production will not go on if they don't get enough grain. Then farmers, so these are the advantages. And farmers get a good price, a proper reward for their crops. And if they generate a surplus, then that surplus is available for export. So two questions we've covered in this. So what are the features of a well organized agricultural marketing system, and the second is what are the advantages of that. So